นี่นักเรียนนะคะวันนี้ก็จะเป็นนักเรียนใหม่ของเราในการเริ่มทำ pedicure. Okay, everyone. Now we're going to start to do pedicure. First of all, you have to prepare the water, warm water, of course. And after that, you have to put like antibacterial, antiseptic liquid and the soap, right? And after that, if you have the function to make spa, because the light, red light in that one, if they are quality like this chair, red light mean antiseptic. Blue is just something like make like anti-fungus. And green is something like help for the blood circulation. Blue one, you know that? I told you earlier. Because they have red, blue, green, purple. Red, antiseptic. This one, blue, anti-fungus. And green is just something like good for blood circulation. And purple is just relaxing or something like that's what they are something like advertising. In fact, might be not, but normally color therapy is that one to work with. And in this case, like this chair, they have multicolor. That's why some customer ask why you have this color for what. You have to have the knowledge to answer. You're not gonna give them the answer like it's just for fun. You're not gonna say like that, right? When you say, you know, many multicolor like that mean help to treat your pedicure. That's why we call spa pedicure. Spa, anything to touch to the water, treatment with the water we call spa, right? Hand spa, you have to soak into the water. Foot spa or spa pedicure, pedi mean foot, feet. Mani, ma, it's French language, it means hand. Manicure or pedicure. Right, this spa pedicure mean put your feet into the water, please. Okay, both of your feet in the water. But every time, right, you are the person to check the warm water or temperature water for your own customer. Not let the customer put their feet in and then push up. Oh, too cold. Ah, too hot. Something like that. You're not gonna let customer have this experience in your place. You have to be careful in every step. Even the chair, the customer sit. Asking them, are they comfortable? Sir, are you comfortable? Please, okay, you must be, okay. So ask them first before you begin your work. You have to positioning check. So mean check the position of the customer, the armchair, both of sides in perfect position. Make them relax because they're gonna sit here with you at least half an hour, 40 minutes or even 1 hour in case if they want to have color, nails color, right? You're gonna take longer time. So make sure they have comfortable seat and ask them first before you touch their feet. Would you like anything to drink? Normally in something luxury place, you can serve the tea, you can serve champagne, you can, right? So you can charge extra. Then we're going to talk about sell and promote in the next video. But today, concentrate on the positioning of the customer. If they want to have drink, serve them the drink, or in your shop have the reception or whatever. Okay, tell your team to serve the drink. You are the person who concentrate on your work, you do your job. Or if you are your own shop, your own business, so you have to prepare, serve the drink and everything before you start touching. Or if you forget to ask your customer, you want to have drink, you halfway already, and they ask, can I have a drink? May I have a drink? It's interrupt your job. That's why you have to positioning check from the beginning. Ask if they need drink. If they need drink, give them first. And then no one interrupt your work. You can during work until you complete your job. Remember, you are a professional. You're not gonna mix up. You know how many type of bacteria on the customer feet. You're not gonna touch their feet to bring the bacteria into the cup of tea or a glass of champagne for your customer, right? So that's why in this case, you have to make sure you check everything, make them settle and relax first. When they relax with their cup of drink, busy with their phone or however, they're not gonna be observed what are you doing. You can work in peaceful and relax, carry on your job, right? And then, so this thing you prepare. Remember, this one is buff to clear. And also this pusher you need to have. And then nails cutter. And that's cheese grinder or feet grinder. And then you have this file. This file I recommend for the pedicure of Nori. Toenails, the nails is harder than hand. And then this one I recommend the number 200 is good for the feet. Alright, this one. And this one to clear again the skin cuticle. And pusher, nails cutter, I recommend this one. Is flat, it's easy to cut. And then nipper. And then buff. Okay, that thing you have to have. Okay, you have to prepare your tool before you come to the customer. And then everything have to be in the place. I recommend have to be in aluminum or something. If you put in the ceramic or glass, might be broken. That is risk. You have to think about health and safety. This is less risk. Like that, it's still here. All right. If you have ceramic or glass, something like that, easy broken. Easy broken when you keep already some piece might be on the floor. If the customer walk on the broken piece of your glass or ceramic, you get big trouble. And you have to learn to get qualified to buy the license. Liability insurance you must have in your workplace, right? We talk about this again next clip, all right? And now you have to keep everything in your bowl like that, in the same place. Not everywhere, spread around you everywhere. You have to have your function for new habit. To be professional, tidy, clean, health and safety, you have to think about it at all the time, right? So in put it back, everything be here. And you prepare with you. Normally this thing you have to clean and then put in the sterilized box. And before you pick it back to work to the next customer, you make sure you already been sterilized. And then before you touch to use again, alcohol, clean again with alcohol or barbicide. You can put somewhere in your, you can practical, someone dominant hand is on the left hand, you have to put on the left hand. It doesn't mean you have this hand used, but you cross like this all the time, cross like this, look messed up. Remember, the customer not only first time they come to you, they went to beauty salon or nail spa, nail shop more than you are. You are new therapist, or here only your shop. You come to your shop every day. You never been to another shop. You doesn't know how they work. But the customer, you might be the number 100 or 200 for them already. They've been around London or around the world for spa, pedicure, right? Make sure you have to know what are you doing and make set and concept. Make them less compare. When you are just in your mindset, you set up, have to be 1, 2, 3, you know it anyway. That means you are professional, right? They're observing you. They are observing you. You are exactly in front of their eye. Every movement, you have to be confident. If your movement is not confident, you make the customer panic. You can feel their energy. When they are panic, they transfer that panic energy to you. And you're nervous. And you can bleed them when you're nervous. When you are confident, what you are doing, what are you doing? The customer relax. And they let you touch their feet until you complete your job. Remember, you have to be confident and act as you are a professional. You don't mess up everything. You look professional, okay? So step 1. First of all, when you leave the customer, soak the customer feet in warm water like that already. You don't need to wait, because now I just talking, right? That's why it take like wait. Actually, when the customer feet in the water already, you check the positioning check. They need something. If they say no, okay, you start your job. So their feet like that. You just say, give me one of your feet, please, one side, and then just help them to, like that. And the first time, let them fit like that, okay? You have to control the positioning, have like that. But if the customer feet like that, when you sit here, you can see everything. If the customer feet like that, you can't see anything, right? When the customer feet like that, you can't see what happened, because first time you have to see. And by the time you touch, here you can feel somethingหนามาก okay, and now you have to put back like that, okay, no problem. And now by the time you check, because I recommend to scrub first. When you scrub to the customer feet, you can feel, you can touch. For example, touch here, they have crack heel. Then by the time when you scrub, you can feel. And then in the scrub, they have moisturizer, they have your oil to like to treat the customer's skin. So mean when you put the oil like that direct straight away, so mean you have enough time. Yeah, scrub. You just take scrub. Sometimes scrub in the tube like that. Sometimes in the bottle. Make sure you use not pick your hand in the bottle. You need something clean and put one into your hand like that. Not pick in and out. But anyway, so I recommend in the tube. Man look more hygiene, look more clean. So you have to make sure you not bring back the bacteria to the bottle, something like that. Okay, now you have to put in your palm hand. And then like scrub, okay. One, เอามือหนึ่งรองไว้ okay. And then the other hand, just clear around here. ก็เหมือนสครับสองอันพร้อมๆกันแบบซ้ายขวาเนี่ย When it's sugar scrub and bleach like that, you don't need to put too strong. Otherwise, the customer feel not comfortable because this one is just like a sand, like a sugar bleach, right? So you have to slowly, if you can feel like rough, you can gentle. But when the sugar start to melt or scrub start to melt, then you can put a bit stronger. And this time, you can make your the customer feet in the water a little bit longer, because when the customer come, you start to clear the cuticle or clear the feet, palm feet, and heel or something like that. It's difficult because not long enough in the water. That's why I recommend step 1, use scrub, because mean you can touch. You can touch first where is crack heel, corn, verruga, how long their nails, they have ingrown nails, fungus nails or not. Because in this step you can have conversation, because when the customer come, they request for pedicure, but the pedicure and the foot care are different, because pedicure is pedicure, cut the nail and buff. They not even use a blade to clear the hard heel or something like that. If you are going to next step, we call food medicine. Medicine means actually in level 3 we can learn how to use a blade, how to use a drill to clear the problem, or even can fix ingrown nails, or even can clear verruga or corn. But the spa, pedicure and the nails level 2, we not go for that deep. But I tell you something, you are my student, you are very lucky. I teach you everything anyway, because now this customer, he have crack heel, he have ingrown nails, he have fungus, he have everything. That's good to learn today, okay? So if you feel okay, it's about 2-3 minutes, not long, right? 2-3 minutes is enough for you to research what happened to this person. So when you research already, okay, here is fungus, the nail is quite long, and here is a lot of crack heel, you can feel, right? So now 2-3 minutes already, put it back. So swap this water into the feed into the water, please, and change the other side for me, please, and just try to, and another side, and also scrub on your hand first, rub first, and then same one side below the heel, push up like that. Okay, otherwise the customer don't know what they are going to do. You are in charge, so that's why I call you are professional. When you are professional, you must know how to control the movement of the customer, because every shop similar but might be not even near. So step 1, 2, 3, someone they might do different, but in our case, how you make better change, right? Better different in better way. So you have to create your way. And the other benefit why I want you to scrub first, because the first benefit, you research, you have time to research where crack heel might be only one size, might be both sides, where is we have verruga, fungus, ingrown nails, or in something like a whatever corn or something like that. And the second benefit, you have enough time for feet to soak in the water before you start, because if the feet not enough time in the water, not easy to clear the cuticle. That's the second benefit, right? And the third one, number 3, why I put this first, because make the customer relax. Because this one, remember, you use scissor, nails cut, It's sharp, it's high risk, it's hazard because it's something sharp, right? And especially when a customer never know you before, they're not your regular customer, what she gonna do, step 1, step 2, they're a bit nervous, or there's something is gonna be, they might have bad experience in somewhere else. So that's why when you do scrub like that, make them feel relaxed. When you touch and relax in warm water and scrub like that, most of the customer, they feel relaxing. Then they let you touch and carry on your job easily. You see, 3 benefits of the first step mean scrub. Okay, now long enough, 2 to 3 minutes for one side. Put back please. And now you research enough, right? So when you enough research, take another side. Okay, change this one please up. And now you put in the same position like that straight away. And now you do cutting nails. Cutting nail is nails cutter is flat one. And then because when the customer put the feet in like that, because when the water sit on the feet like that, on the skin like that, they might feel like a itch a little bit. So you have to put on, you see the towel here is long towel like that. You use another side up like that. Okay, just like that. You leave from here, wait, because we need our nails mean cuticle to get absorbed, to get soft, easy to clear, right? Use nails cutter. So I recommend this shape. So mean this shape is easy to cut, even thick nails. Someone you will see the customer, some have very thick nails, someone even have horn nails. Horn nail, sorry, horn mean horn. Horn nail is so thick. If you use the normal one, like a clipper, like to doing to your hand, it's not gonna work. This one is the best, okay? And then normally when the customer cut, you look this one, the last they cut close already to the skin, but this one not. For example, the next clip we going to learn about customer records. You have to have customer consultation form. You have to ask, you have diabetic, you have high blood pressure, or what kind of problem do you have. They have to sign the form for you, and then you see their history in the form. For example, especially someone who have diabetic, when they've been cut or something like that, their skin healing slowly than normal people. Or someone when they have high blood pressure, when they bleed, not easy to stop. Or someone take the medicine. Some medicine make your blood is not how to say, normally is for someone who have very strong high blood pressure. They get that medicine to then have medicine clot, blood clot. So that's why when they bleed, like water come out of their body. So you have to be very careful. And now you just touch straight like that and press from here. ห็นไหม? This nail is gonna be inside here. If you push like that, you not cover with your little finger. Here, see? come on this way area. So you have to do like this and cover. So the nail is in here. This one the same, straight like that. When you do nails cut, you go straight cut. So someone they're in like that, you go straight cut first. Pick in like that to the corner is not good idea at all, because that corner is so sensitive. You might bleed them. When you bleed them, mean you have skin open, is high risk, because on the feet is a lot of sweat. Sweat cause a lot of bacteria, or more bacteria stay here too long, they change their type to be fungus. That is dangerous. So try to don't bleed them. When you bleed them, even their blood stop bleeding already. You have the skin have gap and open, and when they sweat get in this area, and probably might be in the shoe or something like that. That is cause of bacteria or some allergy, or might be even fungus. All right. So you have to straight cut. And then if you come to see someone who have this like that, mean this, you see the color change, mean this one, the nails die. You try to cut short. So remember, nail you have to cut in straight, not side. You can a little bit, maybe if someone have too round like that, you can a little bit, but not pick in the size on the size of the nails like that. That's wrong, right? So you can have just something like, okay, one left, one right, like that is okay, but not pick in left, pick in right. That's not around. And then, so give me the file, nail file. So now, if you want to see, but what about, because it look like a gap or something here, it doesn't look nice at all. You use this one. Pick up the corner like that. That is a no risk. But when you cut like that, you might bleed them, but you go like that. You see, you can make perfect smooth nails. In this pointy corner, it's gone. But in this technique,
we not need to use the soft cuticle.
not yet. We clear nails first, like that. Okay. So you can go around at the corner to make perfect smooth, because of course when you cut straight like that, they're gonna have something like a little pointy pick in the skin, in the cuticle, on the sides of the nail, left and right. So that's one, if you leave too sharp and pointy, might cause some infection. Not good idea. But not allow you to use a nail cutter to cut in the size way like that, because it's dangerous. If you want to have smooth line in the side, in the corner, you have to use a file to clear, to don't leave any excess, or don't need to leave any sharp of the nails cut.
มาถึงตรงนี้แล้ว
พอมาถึงตรงนี้ถ้ามันเป็นอย่างนี้มันปูดขึ้นมาอย่างเงี้ยเราสามารถที่จะทำอย่างนี้ได้เลยนิดนึง
เรา
เพื่อ
อะไร
ที่
แคะได้ปะ
จริงๆแล้วเราก็ต้องเขี่ยออกให้เขาด้วยครับเพราะข้างในมันก็จะมีอะไรเข้าไปอุดหนังที่มันหมดอายุแล้วคือมันไม่ได้มีชีวิตอยู่แล้วมันอยู่เพื่อเป็นอาหารของแบคทีเรียเท่านั้น Now okay when you are ready put it back please and now time to change okay
back pleaseเดี๋ยวนั่งสิโอเคแล้วตรงนี้ล่ะคะขั้นเขียว
ข้างมันเป็นตรงนี้ตัดได้นะอย่างนี้ได้เย้อย่างนี้แหละค่ะเห็นไหมเราแซะออกได้ดูแล้วว่ามันไม่ลึกแค่มันเป็นติ่งขึ้นมาอย่างเงี้ยจัดการเลยเขาเคยไปผ่าเล็บขบแล้วทีนี้พอมันขึ้นมาใหม่เห็นป่ะมันก็เป็นอย่างนี้พี่ถึงได้บอกไอ้คนเล็บขบต้องมาเจอพี่นี่มันต้องไปผ่าเอาไงถ้ามันตรงนี้มันนิ่มแล้วเนี่ยเอากรรไกรตัดหนังตัดอันนี้เป็นกรรไกรตัดเล็บโอเคนิ่มแล้วเมื่อนี้กูซื้อกินน้ำบ่พอพี่น้ำผึ้งเสียบตาเจ้าSo the next, when we finish the file already, now swap the feet again. Not yet, not step by step. 1, 2, 3, right? So now we have to go get feet back to the water. And now, so swap the other side. You use this one cuticle removal. So you have to palm into your palm hand. 1, 2, 3, like that. Just about enough, okay? And then เราทีนี้ก็push direct because this one be careful because acetic acid ถ้ามันไปจ้ำโดนตรงนี้ไม่นะบางคนแพ้นี่ไม่นะ be very careful so because I said this one เอาสิ acetic acid ก็หาจังสันเดี๋ยวกันโอเคเอาล่างออกสันมาจิ้มใส่กันบอกว่าให้โดนไม่ได้มาจิ้มใส่กันโอเค so mean very strong so mean try to use in the place for example in the palm feet heel and then around this area only so now in this side you put this one เอาก่อนเลย this one yep okay like that fast in one go and then the rest you just put hold this one, hold the customer feet up, hold ตรงนี้ yeah, because we not gonna drop this one on the skin, only in palm feet or somewhere you want to remove hard skin cell. Okay, you just push up like and then direct, yeah, to the palm feet and up this area, yeah, then finish. Wash your hand now.
In there.
Yeah, in wash your hand. Yeah. Because we just watch. In case you not drop on your body or the other parts of the customer, they feel itchy. Okay. So in this case already, now you use pusher, because this liquid have to be in the skin at least 3 to 4 minutes as minimum. So in these 3 to 4 minutes, you don't need to rush. And then customer put in it. Okay. Now you use a pusher to clear, because now you already put before, right? Before mean already, and then you up here to this point 3 minutes already, in case. And now you start. You see, it's clear. Easy to clear like that, because they are long enough in the water already, and now it's touched to this liquid. Make it easy and not to overuse, okay? Because the skin around here are so sensitive. มันก็ออกไปแล้ว you see? You can, yeah, เบาๆ have to be gentle and touch, because when it's long enough in the water, and also this liquid help the cuticle can be melt easier. So you just touch a little bit, it's perfect already to remove it.
อันนี้ทำยังไงเช็ดได้
Yeah, เช็ดบนตรงนี้ yeah. If it's too much, you can't see anything. You can clean, because this one time use and wash.
โอเค
Okay.
กลัวเขาเลือดนะ
แล้วทีนี้หมวยก็ so change เอา glider เอาไอ้ขูดชีส
กูชีสนะ
แล้วทีนี้ตัวเองประคองตรงนี้
ยืนเลยได้ใช่ไหม
นั่ง
นั่งโอเคค่ะ
ทีนี้ลองเอาขามาเราบางคนเนี่ยคือขาเนี่ยมันจะช่วยเราค้ำเอาขามาเหยียบตรงนี้เอาศอกเราค้ำอย่างอย่างนี้ได้ไหมแล้วก็ตัวเองก็เอียงออกขาองศาตัวเองแล้วก็ยกขึ้นมาแล้วขูดทีเนี้ยขูดเหมือนขูดชีสนั่นแหละนะ
เคลียร์ลงแบบนี้
ได้ขึ้นลงไปเลยเหมือนขูดชีสเลยน้องกำชีสขูดขันเขาเห็ดมีจังหวะมันโมเมยขันมีจังหวะมันกับเมยเจ็บหลัง สิก็ได้เห็นว่าเนี่ย
ย้ำข้อสอบให้สิเล่ได้บ่
ได้สิเป็นอย่างนี้สิได้บ่เลยเนี่ยเขาสิได้รู้คำมันบอกมันเบิดอีหลีมันคือมันเบิดไปว่าได้ก็ต้องหยุดมือเขาสิรู้สึกเองแต่ว่าแรกๆแล้วเขาก็ต้องลงน้ำหนักสักหน่อย
เยอะอยู่นะ
ย่า
ดูสิ
จริงสิสั้นๆให้สั้น
เฮ็ดสั้นๆนี่ออกง่ายกว่าง่ายๆโอเค
so
and the next one please
swap คือการซับค่ะ swap แปะนิ้วก่อนนิดเดียวกันลูบไปนั่นแหละให้มันลงคูติโคเด้อโมเมนต์ว่าไปปลายนิ้วเขาย่างเดียวเด้ให้มันมีความหมายในการปลายของละเทีเดียวจบกระบวนการ
Can you put your foot back, please? แล้วยังไงคะ
Okay. So in this size come up now. Swap again. Clean again one more time. Put the same position. Okay. Now clean same. And then now time for you to use the buff nails buff. Okay. And now so you just clear the thing. What exit? You see you use the corner. Use corner to clear. Clean. Don't leave any scratch. Otherwise, if you do not do in this one, this one, they might scratch wife skin or husband skin. Then someone or something like that. They might feel it by themselves. It's like a sharp cut, sharp nail. You see now it's smooth.ใช้ขอบจิกลงไปที่ขอบฝนนานแหละเบามือนะ When you complete this one with buff already, then you see what the skin, sometimes the skin you can see something like that. You use a knipper at the last one. So, หนังตัดหนัง yeah, that's one. The last one I recommend. Last step. Then it mean let's work and let's risk as well. Because it's only the excess skin what you cannot clear from step 1, step 2, step 3. This one gonna be the last one you touch to clear. So I mean if you use this one from the beginning, you don't know how much, how deep, and take too long time. Now it's just only the thing what is left you can clear with this one. Make your job faster and low risk. Remember health and safety. Or something for diabetic, especially someone who has diabetic or high blood pressure. Don't try to touch too close, too nail too short, too close. Also not good idea because they have the end of the nerve very sensitive. Okay, ยังเอากลับคืนไปอยู่เอากลับไปเพราะเราจะได้ล้างขี้ฝุ่นออกทีนี้ในตอนนี้เนี่ยโอเคอย่ายกมันขึ้นมา In this time when you finish that speed already, you can put it back and now you can put the water, turn off your spa. Yeah, turn off. Yeah, fetch. Yeah, and now you can drain the water away. It's the last one ready. Okay แล้วก็ตัดหนังเสร็จยังตัดหนังเสร็จแล้วยกเท้านั้นขึ้นมาเลย so when you finish the last step already, put the other side up together. Yeah, and now both sides you clean them together. Okay, like that. And now it's this time, if the customer want to put the nails color, you have to find the separate toenails. So something like, for example, you can use like that. Actually, this one also hygiene. Paper like that. Because someone they have dead skin cell in between the toenails like that. When you clean like that, it feels good. I like it. How you do? You like it? And for example, if they want to put the nails color, you can do like that straight away. In the one piece of paper, you don't need to throw away. Like that. And the same. Twist. So if the customer want to put color, you do now this time put color. But the next step, we're going to talk about how to put the color toenail in the next episode. Today, this customer finished off spa pedicure about today. If they don't want to put the color, you don't need to separate like that. I just tell you in case if the customer want to have toenails color, you have to separate, otherwise their nails touching, their toe touching together, it can be ruin your color work. Okay, now this one, this customer, he just only finished with spa pedicure. Now it's time to give massage. Massage, you see, from the first time we scrub, massage with a scrub, make the customer relax, trust you, like you, and feel good and feel relaxed. Not feel what next gonna be, they're gonna cut, they're gonna bleed, or how it's gonna difficult. They might have bad experience in last time, or the time before they came to you, they come to you, or maybe with you in the last time. Remember, so everything is meaning. So in this case, when you finish every step already, double check again, nothing difficult, nothing bad or thing like that. The next one, you go for massage. Now on your hand again, massage time. Massage, you can put feet like that, and now they have to be relaxed. You see, say different positioning. And now, okay, start your own. So for the massage, next episode, we're gonna show clearly how to do massage. And normally just about to apply the cream like that, just okay, effort, just okay, smooth touching up and down or something like that, soft and gentle. In the palm hand, you can press, palm feet, you can press a little bit like that. And in between the toenail, you can put the hand, a little finger like that, and just like that. Stimulate end of the nerve. Don't need to clap like that, right? Just massage like that for blood circulation and massage. Until the cream is absorbed, you stop. Example, like 3 to 4 minutes maximum. It's the cream is absorbed to the skin already. Then you stop, go for another side. Because massage have to be at least, let's say 8 to 10 minutes maximum. Okay, it depends. In case someone, they don't have a lot of things for you to clear or to clean, so you can give them extra time for massage. But if someone you do full time, so much thing to care, to clear, and then when you have no time to massage, but your time of work is already 40 minutes, you have to think about to value yourself. Maximum 40 minutes, you just finished your nails job, your clean job, and then you have to give another extra for 8 to 10 minutes again, mean 50 minutes. It seems too long. How much you gonna charge this customer? Or another way, you have to have mindset of seller. And then when you do, okay, big job already today is clear, thing like that. Just say, if you like me to do extra massage for you for 15 minutes, I can do discount for you today. If you like, I charge extra 10 pounds. For example, you have another extra 10 pounds. You don't waste time. So you don't waste your time, and you can still value yourself. But if you have to, because you have follow step every step, but you wait another 10 minutes for nothing, think about it. If you're honest, do it. If you're not honest, you have to do it as well, but not full time. Just about, okay, touching, about, for example, okay, clean, clear, something like that. But have to do massage. How long? It depends on you. You devise your time. How long is up to you. Normally, foot massage have to be at least maximum 10 minutes. But it depends from step 1 to step 10. How long you take? Not longer than 40 minutes. Okay? And not too short. Not shorter than half an hour. Otherwise, it's too very rushed. So not relaxed. It seems like, what? I pay too much. She touched me only 10 minutes, 15 minutes, finish already. What happened? Something like that. Be careful. Because I said, many customers, they went to many spa, nail spa or nails bar. But only you maybe come to your shop, only never went to any place before. That's why you think you are the best in the world. But anyway, someone else might be better than you. Think about it. Okay, if you want to keep your regular customer to making money and happy in your business, when you have regular customer, think about 100% per month that you save. Less than that, your risk. Okay, so see you next clip. Okay, for maybe spa pedicure again, we'll see about this set of students, how they're going to learn how fast they're learning. Okay, everyone, see you in next clip. Bye bye. Bye.